Okay, friends. So, what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to provide you a strategy that is simple and it is easy for you to use while trading. And I can show you a bunch of strategy with some complicated indicator setup, but that will not help you in order to execute the trade because most of the binary traders want to make the trade immediately, right? And after a lot of uh, thinking, I came to a conclusion about martingale strategy, and will not use the full martingale strategy like investing $1 and then again if we lose that investing $2, if we lose that $2 investing $4, we are not going to do that, okay, and keep on doubling. We are not going to do that. We are going to simply allow us three trades like of $1, $3 and $9. But in this video I'm not going to edit any part of this video. We are going to invest $100. If we lose that $100, we will invest $300. If we win, then in that $300 will be back to $100. And if we make loss in that $300, then we'll invest $900. And I have only kept $1,300 in my account right now. And in order to get most of your trades right, you need to find this kind of market where market is either trying to clearly calm down or go clearly in the above direction, okay. This kind of market will help you to get most of your trades right. So without doing any delay, we will start. Okay, so as you can see here, market is right now trying to struggle in this point. You should not make trades in this kind of part. Now if market starts to move up like this, then we can take the risk in that 1 second time frame, okay, not above or below. So as you can see, our first trade is in profit. Ronnie, please stop of the, okay, so this is a notification. So as you can see, market is still trying to go up, right? So now whenever the timer hits that 1 second, we make the trade in the same direction where the market is trying to go. Let's see what happens in this trade. We still made the profit, okay? So basically the thing is that you need to find a place to make the trade where market is either straightly falling down or straightly going above. So now it is trying to fall down, okay? But we are not seeing this kind of free fall, right? So now as you can see here, I can see that it is trying to fall down. So in 1 second time frame, we made the trade. If we lose this trade, so we didn't lose, it was a draw trade, okay, it was neither profit nor loss, so we'll still go with $100 trade. So see how powerful this can be of a trending market where the market is trying to go in the same direction, right? So now again, let's wait for some time. If market starts to go above, and we can take the risk at here. Let's wait and let it form a straight type of line. So I think now it's the time to make, but I was a little bit late at here. However, yes, we made the profit at here. See, we have not lost a single trade yet right now because we are following this theory of market where it is trying to go straightly up or trying to fall straightly down right now, okay. So let's keep on waiting and see if we can make the trade at here. If it starts to go in the above direction, then we can still make the trade, but it seems like it is trying to consolidate at here, okay. So we can wait here, or what we can do is we can try to find other places where market is trying to do the same thing. Sorry, I don't see anything good at here. Also, as you can see, this video is not edited at here all here. Here you can see market, how beautifully the market have went up, right? uh, but here market was not so good, okay, so we should not be making trade at here. But if it had started to move up straightly, okay, or it have started to fall down straightly, then we could have taken the risk, okay, of making trade, but will not trade in this. Here also it is the same thing, market is trying to fall down, right? Fall down. Yes, it is falling down clearly. When the timer hits 1 second, we'll take a risk at here by making trade in the same direction, and we made our first loss, okay. So now what we'll do is we'll increase our investment amount and will not make trade in the same currency pair where we have made the loss. Okay, we'll try to find out other places where market is either trying to go straightly up or down. So let's switch the currency pair. Here you can clearly see that market was trying to go in the above direction, so let's wait and see. And we made loss in this trade also. So market is trying to fall down, right? So what we'll do is I will invest our $90 in that 1 second time frame. Okay, at here. So let's see. And this we made profit. Okay, we have covered our previous day loss, sorry, previous trades loss and some profit. Okay, we have started from $1,300. Now we are in $2,000. However, this trade was risky. I can understand. Now here is the key. Okay, so if you are risking $1,300 in your trade, okay, this is a semi martingale strategy, not a full martingale strategy. Okay, you are investing $1, $3, $9. Okay, $100, $300, $900. So total investment amount is $1,300. Okay, and you can target a profit of $2,600 by risking that $1,300. Okay, so your risk to reward ratio will be 1:2. However, you can enjoy this profit, but if you make a habit of enjoying this small profit, one day you lose your full investment amount. If our trade of $9 was gone, then we would have made loss for that day. Okay, and we could have stopped trading and we'll trade in the next day. Okay, but we have made the profit, so we'll again start with $100, right? So as you can see here, market is trying to move up and again come down. So let's wait. We have made profit in this currency pair, so we'll wait for some time, and seems like market is trying to go up, so we'll make the trade in the 1 second time frame. Okay, let's see. We made profit in this trade also, so it is still trying to go up, right? Sorry. um let's wait. Now it is trying to fall down. We need to wait and watch and see if it is falling down straightly. Okay, so for some time we need to watch it, and it has no any strong trend. As you can see here, market is trying to struggle here and go back. Okay, in this case scenario we should not be making trade, so we'll try to find out other places where we can make the trade. So here you can see it is also struggling at here, no any free fall. If it has started to fall down, then we could have taken the risk. So let's still wait and see if it is going in any direction. But here you can see consolidation is happening, so you'll ignore this kind of currency pair. So let's keep on going. Here you can see I will not think twice, only wait for the 1 second timer to make trade in the same direction where the market is trying to go here. So let's wait. Okay, we made the loss. Okay, right now. So we'll increase our investment amount to $300, right? So let's wait and see. We will not make trade in this currency pair because we have just made the loss. Okay. So market was straightly trying to go up and it have started to fall down, I guess. But let's see if it is still fall down. If it is still fall down, no. Here we'll ignore. Let's keep on moving. Let's keep on moving. No any increase. So let's wait and see where, yes, market is trying to go up, and whenever the timer hits 1 second, we'll make trade in the same direction where the market is trying to go. So it was trying to go straightly, and we made the loss in this trade also. Now we'll make a trade of $900 at here. So let's find another place where we can make this. So here you can see 61% payout will cross this kind of currency pair. Will not make trade. Here also market is trying to go straightly up, and 1 second timer we made the trade in the same direction, and we made the profit as you can see here. Okay, so guys, you need to keep on trading in these three sets like 139. And also if you want to copy our trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join our free telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video and in the first comment below. And do like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe for these kind of interesting videos.